Today I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone unavailable. So how to fix this up without a computer or iTunes. Let me honestly tell this, in order to do so, your phone should be connected to the internet. Erase iPhone appears only for the iPhone with internet connection. So this method only worked for the device connected to the internet. If yours not connected, wait till the try again, given time expires. Then swipe into notification drawer, and enable the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So what you have to do is we need to keep entering the wrong password until try again in 15 minutes appears, or until the erase option appears. Now when it reaches to 15 minutes, you will see an option as erase iPhone. Tap on that. Proceed with erase iPhone. You need to enter the Apple ID password. Let me enter mine. Okay, once after entering the password, tap on Go. Now, as you can see that the iPhone is getting erased. So as you can see that the iPhone has been completely erased. If erase iPhone doesn't appear for you, there's alternative method, let's move to it. For that, you need a Windows computer or Mac. On PC, you have to open internet browser, and navigate to google.com, then search for iTunes download. Then click on the first one. From here, you get 32-bit and 64-bit. In order to check yours, head over and click on the search icon over the bottom, search for File Explorer, and open it. From here, scroll down and click on this PC. From here, right-click and go for Properties. Here as you can see that, mine is 64-bit. So go back to the web browser, download the one for Windows 64-bit. The download has begun. Open it when the download finishes. Follow the instructions. So this is the iTunes. For Mac users, open web browser, navigate to google.com, search for iTunes download for Mac. Click on the download icon and proceed further. So first thing, if you're using 6s Plus or lower, then you just have to follow the instruction. So what we have to do is you just have to turn your device off. And once it is done, you have to connect one end to your PC or laptop and other end to the iPhone. And before getting to that, it is very important to press home button immediately after connecting the cable or else it will not get into recovery mode. Okay, so once it's turned off, connect the USB cable to your iPhone, immediately press and hold the home button and listen until you see the recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or 8 Plus, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the top, or side, and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. What you have to do is if you are using the for iPhone 10 or above, what we have to do is just have to do the same in the way. You just have to connect one end to the PC or laptop and the other end to your iPhone like this. You have to connect it. Okay. So once connected, you just have to make sure that the screen it is turn it on. So now what you have to do is just have to get into recovery mode and do this stuff. You just have to press volume up followed by volume down, then press and hold power button until your iPhone gets into recovery mode. So now as you can see that it has successfully got into recovery mode, and now from here, you have to follow the instructions. Now hereafter the instructions hereafter is the same for all the iPhone models. As you can see, there's an option to restore your iPhone. Tap on that. Then tap on agree. Then, at the top right of iTunes, you can see that the software is getting downloaded. The software is around 6.13 gigabytes. So let's wait for it to get downloaded completely. Note that recovery mode will not stay longer. So, your iPhone will get out of recovery mode if the download takes long. So, if the iPhone goes out of recovery mode, it will not affect the download. You can re-enter into recovery mode once the download is complete. You don't have to download the software once again. Get into recovery and you can restore at the spot without downloading again. And the important thing is, doing this process will erase all content and will be reset to factory default. So guys, Snow, as you can see that we have successfully downloaded, and as you can see, it is getting processed. So, it is getting extracting the software, so you just have to wait for that too. Now, your PC says that the iPhone is restored. So let's move to the iPhone. So guys, as you can see that we've successfully done the factory reset of your iPhone, and we hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any kind of doubts, do ask in the comments section and we'll be getting back to you. Take care.